Welcome to Cloudshot. In this quick tutorial, we'll walk you through how to connect your Google Cloud Platform, GCP, account to Cloudshot for seamless cloud management. Let's get started. First, log into your Cloudshot account. If you're already signed in, navigate to the Connect Your Cloud Account section. Click Start with GCP. There are two ways to connect your account. 1. Using your Google account, or 2. Using a JSON key file. In this video, we'll demonstrate the Google account method. Need help at any point? Click the video tutorial link for guided steps, or follow the on-screen instructions below. Firstly, I will show you how to grant project access to another Gmail ID by following these optional steps. First, go to the Google Cloud Console. Navigate to IAM and Admin, and open the IAM page. Make sure you've selected the correct project at the top. Now, click on Grant Access to add a new member. In the New Principals field, enter the Gmail address you want to grant access to. Next, assign a role based on the access level needed and click Save. The new user may receive an email invitation. If so, they'll need to accept it to complete the setup. Once accepted, their email address will be granted access to the associated GCP projects. Now return to Cloudshot and enter a name for your GCP account. And click Continue with Google. And that's it. You've successfully connected your GCP account to Cloudshot. Now you can manage your cloud resources with ease. Click on GCP Network Discovery for instantly visualize your cloud infrastructure. Choose your Google account to connect seamlessly. Your privacy matters. Secure access. We authenticate on a token basis, ensuring your account remains secure. Read-only integration. We do not edit, configure, or delete any of your Google Cloud data. Choose your projects. And click on Show Deployment to view detailed insights into your cloud resources. Make sure to enable project billing if it's not already active. You've successfully connected GCP to Cloudshot, unlocking powerful infrastructure visualization, smart cloud management, cost optimization, and much more. Thanks for watching.